Is your job next on AI's chopping block? While copywriters fear being replaced by chatbots and paralegals eye ChatGPT like it's their office nemesis, others, like the CEO of Salesforce, say it's mostly noise. Meanwhile, top voices at NVIDIA and Anthropic warn of a white-collar bloodbath. So who's right and who's wrong? Time to break down the truth behind AI's impact on hundreds of job types and show you how to tell if yours is safe or not. AI is quickly changing how people work around the world. More than 700 job types have been proven to be affected by automation and smart systems. For example, IBM replaced hundreds of HR staff with AI tools to handle tasks like paperwork and decision-making. This isn't a rare case. Most major industries are now using AI to handle tasks that were once done by office workers. Tech companies like Microsoft and Google have also integrated AI into their daily operations. At these companies, AI now writes about 30% of the code stored in their systems. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella shared that AI is especially useful in programming languages such as Python, helping developers work faster. The main reasons for using AI include lowering costs, improving efficiency, and exploring new technology. Research from the St. Louis Federal Reserve and Stanford University, as well as significant anecdotal evidence we can all observe every day, shows that smaller businesses are turning to AI to stay competitive. Before we reveal the method to verify if AI will take over your job, it's important to note that AI is changing the workplace in two main ways: automation and augmentation. Automation means using AI to do tasks by itself, often replacing people completely. These tasks are usually simple, repetitive, or follow clear rules. For example, AI chatbots in customer service or robotic tools in finance and human resources can handle jobs with little to no help from people. This lowers the need for workers in those areas. On the other hand, augmentation means AI helps people do their jobs better. It boosts productivity, supports decision-making, and helps with creative work. For example, AI tools can help doctors understand medical images or assist engineers in improving designs. In this case, people and machines work together to get better results. A large study from 2015 to 2022 found that automation often leads to lower wages and fewer jobs, but augmentation had the opposite effect. It increased pay and opened new jobs, especially in fields needing technical skills and flexible thinking. So how can you know whether automation or augmentation is more likely for your job? Enter Anthropic. The company studied over 1 million conversations with its AI assistant, Claude, to understand how AI is changing the workplace. By comparing these chats with data from the U.S. Department of Labor, researchers explored AI's impact on more than 700 different jobs. The findings revealed which tasks are being automated by AI and which are simply being improved or assisted by it. By the end of 2024, the study found that AI was either automating or supporting around 25% of daily work tasks across all job types. These tasks included writing emails, reviewing data, managing calendars, and handling customer service. The study matched national reports that say over 50% of U.S. companies are now using AI to improve workflows and cut costs. The report also showed patterns by job type. Computer and math-related jobs had the most automation, while teachers and librarians saw the most help from AI. To see Anthropic's findings, check out the Anthropic Economic Index, where you can also download for free the datasets the company used for its analysis. Anthropic's distinction between automation and augmentation is partly based on how well AI can handle specific tasks, focusing on how much thinking or social interaction the job requires, which AI is not always suited for. Jobs like translators and computer programmers are at high risk of automation. These roles involve tasks that follow clear rules, such as translating languages and writing code. AI models like Claude and ChatGPT can perform these tasks accurately, which makes full or partial automation more likely. On the other hand, jobs like professors and librarians are harder to automate. These roles require understanding people, clear communication, and decision-making. In these cases, AI can help with tasks like organizing research or managing files, but cannot replace human connection or judgment. Anthropic's dataset is a helpful tool that shows how AI could impact your job. You can search your job title and see how likely it is that certain tasks will be done by AI alone or supported by AI. If your job title isn't in the dataset, it might mean AI hasn't yet had much impact on that role. Still, that doesn't mean it's completely safe. As AI grows in understanding language and making decisions, even jobs that seemed safe could change. According to the Stanford Digital Economy Lab, over 80% of workers in the US may see at least 10% of their job tasks affected by AI. The future of work in the age of AI is a hot topic, with experts offering very different opinions. Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff takes a hopeful view, saying that AI will support workers instead of replacing them. He has described AI as a helpful partner that can improve productivity and free people to focus on more meaningful tasks. He believes that with the right training, AI can lead to a smarter and more capable workforce. On the other hand, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei offers a warning. He believes AI might remove up to 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs in fields like finance, technology, law, and consulting. He says unemployment could reach 20% if changes are not made quickly. Meanwhile, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang says job loss will only happen if society stops creating new ideas, believing AI will grow creativity. Getting ready for the AI era means being active and well-informed. The first step is to build AI literacy. This means learning how AI tools work, what they can and cannot do, and how to evaluate their results carefully. This means learning to use AI in a responsible way, making sure its actions are monitored, and designing solutions that follow strong ethical values. People should also begin using AI in their daily work. Many government departments already use generative AI tools to improve writing, plan better, and handle research or logic-based tasks. For example, the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs uses AI to help analyze medical images, and other departments use it to study large sets of data. These examples show how AI can make everyday work more efficient. Lastly, people should focus on jobs that need human judgment, creativity, and strong ethics, areas where AI still falls short. AI isn't stealing every job, at least not yet. Some roles will evolve, others might vanish, and many will thrive with the right skills. So, is your job future-proof or on the edge? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart breakdowns.